So welcome to the tutorial for VideoVanish. So this is VideoVanish. It's a tool used to create masks for objects in videos and also to make those objects disappear, to make them vanish. And to install it, you simply follow these 4 steps. You first install Minconda, and there's an installer here. Just download that and run, choose all the defaults. Then you download VideoVanish, you unzip it somewhere, and you double click the Windows install, and then you double click the Start VideoVanish. Those things will download all the necessary requirements, and eventually you'll get to something that you can start. So it looks kind of like this. So first you get a console window, maybe not the prettiest thing, but it's there. You just wait, and then you get the GUI. And in the GUI, you have the tools over here to the right, and you have a file opener up here. Here you can do the same thing as these 3 things. That thing is this thing is the same as open color video. You can also save and load annotations. Annotations are these clicky things which you will use to annotate videos. So let's open a video. I've prepared here a demo. There we go. I think it's this one. Yeah. So here we have a couple walking down the street. Perfect, right? So what we want to do here is we want to pick some objects. Let's take that sign. We want to mask that sign. We want to, like, maybe we want to remove it, or maybe we just want to mask it. You can use the tool for either one. And maybe we should also do this tree. Sure. So we object number 2, and then we use that with clicks. So you can do positive clicks, which informs the system that, oh, this is the thing I want to trap, which is number 2. But you can also do negative clicks, like this isn't informing the system, like, oh, this is not object 2. And you can remove clicks or squares by right clicking them. So now we've picked these things, then we press preview. Preview is pretty fast if you have a good GPU. Look, that went pretty quickly, but we can say, oh, it didn't do perfectly. I'm not negative. We want to do positive. So we do positive clicks over here, and then we preview again, make sure that it gets everything. Yeah, I got everything. So that's great. So then we press generate mask here, and then we get this pop-up telling us, oh, it's working in the background. It'll stay there for 4, and it's not perfectly smooth, but you just have to wait. It takes a little bit of a time. This clip is pretty short, and it's only normal HD, so it's pretty quick. And it's good to have like a big GPU when doing this. You can do it on a computer without GPU. Like masking's pretty. You can do that with this normal CPU. It takes a couple of minutes, but it's fine. But like doing infill without a large GPU, that probably is not. So so the pop-up we saw there, that was basically the system saying, oh, the mask is done. So now we can play with the mask, and we can see, oh, look, those masks, they pop a little bit. That doesn't mean that they actually pop. It's just that my computer is too slow to like play 2 videos at the same time perfectly in sync. But so that was easy. Let's try to also add this man here. That's a little bit because he's walking next to this woman, so that might be a little bit harder, but I think it should do fine. Let's do that. And what you can also do, which I haven't told you about, is that you can go to anywhere on the timeline, and you can add clicks anywhere in the timeline, which is really helpful when the model loses track of something. Then you can help it along by adding new dots at the location where it lost its way. Let's preview this so we can see if it. Oh, look, it did pretty well. It's not perfect here. Let's add something like that. Make sure that it's actually gets everything. Let's preview again. Maybe I made it more confused now. Oh, yeah, even more confused. Let's remove some things. Let's add one on the arm. You have to experiment a bit. 3. Okay, let's do that. No, it's just getting worse. I think we'll do. This is fine, I guess, because what we can do later is we're gonna dilate this. These holes will be filled in at a later point. So let's press generate mask. This will take a little bit of a while, and that it's about a minute on my 3090. Like if you have a slower card or a faster card, I mean that's just the way it is. It's gonna be faster or slower. Yeah. So then we get this pop-up saying it's done. So now we can look at this video again. See, it's tracking the man very well, actually. Still having the sign up there. I mean, that's perfect. So that's good. We didn't really need to do any negative clicks. Like I was thinking that maybe we need to add a negative click to her, but it looked fine. But I can do that just to show you how that works. You just press a negative over here and you add. But we don't really need to. And you can also like move forward. Like, is there somewhere in this? Somewhere along the clip which it's not perfectly tracking. I don't know, it's just gonna get more. Is it like we can basically inform it, yeah, we don't want her, but we do want him. Like in this case it's not really necessary, but we can do it anyways. Okay, but now it's like not the head, not that thing. Let's do again. But now as we're doing previews, we're only looking at this particular frame, right? But anyways, so we generate a new mask, and that takes in the keyframes that's both from the 6 second and the keyframe with the points from the first frame. So now we're creating a new mask. So you basically just explore a little bit to see, like, okay, does the model understand what you are trying to track? Does it lose the tracking sometimes? Do you help it a little bit? Yeah, perfect. So now we got a new mask. There wasn't really any problem with the mask as it was, so I mean I'm not expecting anything. It's fine. So next thing is to make things vanish. Okay, so then we have some settings over here. You can change the dilation, which is like how much the mask will expand. And because you see right now when like here he isn't perfectly covered by the mask, so we're gonna do like, I don't know if eight's a good default. I'm gonna push this up to like 20 because it's like 20 pixels basically, uh, and 20 pixels everywhere. So then we press. Either you can do preview again. We can try a preview that takes 22 frames, about a second preview. Okay, let's remove the mask. Look at that. The man is gone, the sign is gone, everything's gone. The tree is even gone. Oh, I kind of forgot about the tree. It's pretty good. But then, as it is right now, this is only a preview. Whoops. So you only get a few seconds of that before like everything goes away. So we want to do it for the whole video. So we go make vanish. And there we go. The infill has been generated, it's been saved and at that location. And now I think we can either play the video as it is, like now it's even slower because we have actually 3 videos playing at the same time. We can also remove the show mask thing. And as you'll see, like it's like playing 2 videos at the same time now. It's doing the original and this one. We can open the demo here, vanished in VLC, and we'll see, oh look, you can see like the faint outline where the man used to be, but the trees, I mean there's some stuff there. It's like you can see like the ghost of something, but it's mostly gone, which is good. Yeah, so that's VideoVanish for you.